It is late, and it's Saturday night at almost 12, 11:56, and I'm hungry. I went shopping today in Du Bois, and I got a LA shirt. I posted it on Instagram. If you follow me on Instagram, then you saw it. I can't get it unfolded with one hand. Where's my nose first? See? Los Angeles. I will go here. But, let's go get some food. Because I'm hungry. I'm snoring. My grandma's snoring right now. She's gonna kill me. Oh my gosh, I can still hear her. There she goes. Oh my gosh, I can't believe, before I did this, I walked out, and I was to get my Alfredo, because Grandma and I ate at Valedare today, and I went to go to the, in the refrigerator to get my pasta, to get my supper, and all of a sudden I hear, I'm just like, oh jeez, she's snoring again, so, and I'm hungry. I can't get anything to eat, and I look totally naked. I'm wearing a shirt, but it looks like I'm naked, because my hair covers the straps. I am not. I got a Rockstar energy drink, because it's been a while since I had one of these, and it's 12 right now, and I'm gonna be up till 1. And I hope I do, because that is my goal. And what am I doing with my head? Oh my. I'm tired. So, it was a couple months ago. It's like the beginning of this year. Ew, and I just spit on myself. Ew. On Facebook, I saw this, I think my mom shared it or something, and I saw this video of a boy, I forget his age, like 17, 18, around there, in his I know he's in his teens, and he was drinking a Monster, like a regular green, the first Monster, the green Monster, and after he was done drinking it, he felt like it was heavy, like it was still heavy, but he drank all of it. So he cut the can open, he cut open the can, and here there was a dead mouse in the bottom of the can. So I am scared to eat. I am scared to drink cans, like energy drinks now, because of that. And they did it like on the news or something. It was like a big news story. and I was just like, eh. And the first time I drank a Monster, I was scared to death. First of all, from now on, when I drink Monsters or any type of drink, I put it in a cup. I did not put that in a cup because I trust Monster. I'm not sure. I mean, I trust Rockstar. I'm not sure. Is Rockstars and Monsters the same energy drink company? Or are they different? Because if they're different, I don't know. Las Vegas, Nevada is Monster Company located in Las Vegas? I think it's Michigan for some reason. Release the beast. I don't know. Question of the day. Even though I don't do those. Just for today. Is Rockstars and Monster energy drinks from the same company? Google it and someone comment in this video. Because I'm curious. I am curious. It has vitamins. Caffeine. Ooh, caffeine. Taurine. How do you say that? Taurine? And B vitamins. I think I already said B vitamins. But who cares? B vitamins! Oh, I'm a vitamin! So in another story, today I posted this on Facebook. I know you guys aren't in my Facebook, I'm just gonna tell you. So I don't allow people I don't know on my Facebook. Sorry. That's what Instagram and Twitter's for. To allow strangers come in your life. Nope. To let strangers enter your life. I use the wrong word. I've been watching Shane Dawson way too much. And I'm tired. And I'm drinking energy drink to save me up. Oh my goodness. So anyway. I googled Britt Baylor on YouTube. Okay? And like the third or fourth page down, it said the Baylor oh my gosh. Leave me alone. Sorry. Something popped up. And shh, I am making a video. Heard a car go by. Leave me alone. Anyway, this I forgot what I was gonna say. Third or fourth page down, there was a link. Ow, something like stung me. Saying the Baylor Massacre, but Baylor was spelled B-A-Y-L-O-R, not B-A-I-L-O-R. Oh, I haven't burped in a while. And my videos. Miracle. The Baylor Massacre. And apparently an ancestor of mine killed people for a living. And that's how the Baylor Massacre started. I do not kill people. I do not. No. People. No. I've been watching Alex James way too much. Ladies. No. No more twerking and taking selfies. Oh. I don't know. My hair's messed up. Look at my hair. It's so poofy. So yeah, the Baylor Massacre. Well, I'm gonna go. Subscribe. Good night. Goodbye.